After recharging an aerosol spray can, you should immediately perform a short set of maintenance steps to ensure safe function and longevity. First, purge the nozzle by spraying briefly into a well-ventilated area until the spray pattern is consistent and free of sputtering, which clears trapped air and residual propellant. Next, remove any surface residue by wiping the nozzle and valve area with a lint-free cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol, taking care not to soak the can or the label. Check the valve stem by pressing it gently to confirm smooth travel and immediate return. If it sticks, do not use the can and follow safe disposal guidelines for pressurized containers. Store the can upright at room temperature away from direct sunlight and heat sources, because upright storage helps keep the valve submerged in product and reduces leaking. After recharging, wait at least 24 hours before heavy use so internal pressures stabilize and solvents equilibrate, then test spray on a disposable surface to verify atomization and color match if relevant. Finally, mark the can with the recharge date and contents using a permanent marker so you can track age and decide when to retire it. Common problems include clogging at the nozzle from dried product, which you can fix by removing the nozzle and soaking it in warm, soapy water or isopropyl alcohol, then running compressed air through the opening before reattaching. Another issue is slow or uneven spray caused by trapped air or incorrect propellant ratio. Resolve this by briefly inverting and shaking the can vigorously for 30 seconds, then performing a short purge spray to re-establish proper internal mixing. Leaks around the valve are a safety concern and often show as sticky residue or hissing. If you detect a leak, move the can to a safe ventilated area. Wear gloves and transfer any usable product to a certified replacement container if you have the equipment. Otherwise, retire the can and follow hazardous waste disposal rules. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to home maintenance and repair. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users share hands-on tips, experiences, and local recommendations about tasks like post-recharge aerosol can care.